Hi, I'm Alpela, founder of Alpela Academy, where we help struggling beginners, small business owners, and those feeling stuck online. Here, you will learn step-by-step business strategies, personal growth tips, social media guidance for beginners, and powerful life counseling. Whether you're starting over, getting out of debt, growing your brand, or ready for your breakthrough moment, you are in the right place. If you're ready to transform your life, grow your business, and create real success, hit that subscribe button now and let's build your breakthrough story together. Welcome to our Alpela Academy. Your journey to a better future starts here.